Step into the 2013 Toyota Tacoma. With just over 25,000 miles on the odometer, this midsize truck stands out in its class as affordable practicality with a stylish twist. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Toyota infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, skid plates, and much more. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Call now to schedule a test drive.